Are you tired of spending a fortune on hair care products? Well, today I'm going to share with you my top smart luxury hair care products for achieving fabulous hair without breaking the bank. First up, we have Oribe Cleansing Cream. This product is a game changer because it acts as a shampoo and conditioner in one, perfect for simplifying your routine. Think of it as a co-wash or cleansing conditioner. It's packed with nourishing ingredients which help to cleanse and hydrate your hair both at the same time. Use it like your regular shampoo to cleanse your hair while infusing it with moisture. It doubles as a conditioner to leave your hair feeling soft and manageable. Even though it doesn't suds up like traditional shampoo, it's still working. You just have to trust the process. Our second product is R+Co Bleu's Smooth and Seal Blow Dry Mist. This fine mist is a 4-in-1 formula that strengthens, repairs, nourishes, and protects against thermal damage. This product helps reinforce the hair's structure to prevent breakage from ever happening. It infuses hair with essential nutrients, leaving it healthier and more resilient. It shields hair from heat up to 450 degrees, ensuring your hair stays protected during styling, and provides a barrier against humidity, keeping your hair sleek and smooth even in the muggiest climates. While it's meant to be applied on towel-dried hair, you can also apply it on dry hair before using a curling iron or flat iron. It helps smooth and seal the hair's cuticle, giving you a super sleek finish. I really love this product because it is super lightweight. You can use it on fine hair or coarse hair, and it gives you a super sleek look with ease. Moving on to Oribe's Hair Alchemy Fortifying Treatment Serum. This luxury hair serum triples as a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and a heat protectant. It is packed with premium ingredients that help protect and strengthen delicate strands while also preventing damage. It provides intense hydration and repair, perfect for those extra dry hair days, and shields hair from high heat and styling tools up to 450 degrees. Unless you have super dry or curly hair, when using this product, make sure you skip the conditioner to avoid weighing your hair down. This product is perfect for anyone who is looking to strengthen, protect, and repair their hair. Up next, we have Oribe's Gold Lust Dry Heat Protection Spray. This multitasking conditioning spray has 4 uses. It helps to fight frizz, add silkiness, nourish your hair, and protect it from thermal damage. It also tames flyaways and gives your hair a polished finish. It shields hair from hot tools, protecting it from damage up to 450 degrees. It helps repair and nourish damaged strands, leaving hair healthier and stronger. It adds silkiness, fights frizz, smooths flyaways, and enhances overall manageability. This product is meant to be sprayed on dry hair before using any hot tools, but if your hair tends to be on the drier side or you have curly hair, it is also great to use as a next day hair refresher. R+Co Bleu Sleep Repair Mask. I saved this product for last because at $120 per container, it's the most expensive on the list. While it's not marketed as a multi-purpose product, I can assure you that it most definitely is. This 3-in-1 powerhouse acts as a split and seal, a frizz control, and a treatment repair mask, all in one little container. It instantly smooths down frazzled ends, giving your hair a polished finish. It tames unruly, frizzy hair, leaving it smooth and manageable even before using hot tools. It provides intense repair, restoring strength and vitality to damaged areas. To apply this product during the day as a split and seal or frizz fighter, apply a small amount to the areas where it needs it and style as usual. For overnight repair, you will apply it on damp hair, leave it in while you sleep, and then in the morning, you will style it as usual. Personally, I love using this product as a styler during the day, benefiting from all 3 uses in one go. You really just need the tiniest amount, and believe it or not, it will not weigh your hair down. What you will love about these products is their cost effectiveness. Plus, their high quality ingredients means you're investing in the health of your hair, meaning you won't have to spend extra money down the line repairing your hair. These products are highly concentrated, which means you use less and buy less often. Unlike many drugstore products that will run out quickly, these last much longer. So there you have it, my top smart luxury hair care products that won't break the bank. These products not only deliver amazing results, but they will help simplify your routine and save you money. And if you're curious about these products and want to check them out, I have added them to the description section for you for easy shopping. What are your favorite multitasking products? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more beauty tips like this, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.